Bebre no. Nyanka yeka Akans unite ne ho. But as Kukudua as said earlier on, ebe use different tactics. Ebia yekope Akane bia na aware na say senyen ware ni kra na ya nyinse no by force. Eba no sana the evidence na ba be kire mu say o me so me girlfriend yo ya kani when you say ama mi enti munje me to ekonemu enu de say me ye enu wi na mu se mu mpini ma me de and the court straight
I don't come back for straight
court enti me da mu nyina say this group has come to stay and me ye Volta ni me pure Voltarian and for you people to host me I was show we so no actually say Akans unite any tribalistic group. No. Bia see we are coming to boss over other tribes. Debbie. And that is one example of tolerance. Tribal tolerance. NPP mo. We give the chance to everybody, whether you are from Volta, you are from Northern part, wherever. And now by NPP mo no group be a person join me wait me join. And it's a way Akans unite. So bia ya can bia or NPP mu bia join here. There is nothing wrong with it. And very soon you will see Voltarians raising up. Some of those groups will come up. Voltarians raising up.
We can't wait for that anyway.
Yes, Voltarians raising up. Volta Northern Alliance in NPP. All those things are coming up. And the obi bia on a stronghold any modus operandi. Mameka Semichros. Time I call university no. What person contesting for election bia. Only major stronghold war. Sometimes we stronghold with department. And when you want to contest, you make sure say votes are with department. Utimi amasi those votes. Then other departments you go and beg them small. Say, oh, me trust me. That is what happens in every election. And NPP mono. Yes, we are stronghold. A department. We know say for sure say department we mu there say you win. I can afford department. And me and me Voltarian, I support this group fully, 100%, say 200% to I support it. And I'm always interested in the activities of this group. And yes, you cry, and you love BD. And yes, sir, you call Congress, sir. You call Kasa, we are kind of a more than no. There be, maybe all free baby and we NPP new kind of needy. And what else? So thank you so much for the good work you are doing. And thank you for having me. Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for always honoring our.
Na wa miankasa. Yate nurses and doctors. This government 8 months achievement for you. Number 1. Nurses for nyina ya shawo kobo. You have not even passed your wasi. Set by what? Mahama own mouthpiece Johnny Hughes. Osimu nyina ya shawo kobo. Second achievement. Wasi nurses and doctors. Munyina ya one of the most useless people in the world. You cannot talk because most of you know that deep down you deserve this thing that is happening to you. Most of you nurses and doctors, you know very well deep down you that you deserve this thing that is happening to you because you're all manner of ungratefulness. For the first time in your association life, money government to me kwatenasi enya negotiation table Ghana for until hoshe. That is mutual respect. Kebina min kebi. Understanding each other. Nice deliberation. Mose mompe. Na mope niye. I don't even have red banner. Mope abaya obaswa. Debia. You tie red banner on your head. and come back to the street. Unwa bani chema. Please give us our salary. Please give us our salary. Send you na no. Monesis for no ebeye. That is what you like. For the first time in your life, none of you came on the street to stand there and say, please, we will go on strike. Give us our money. We have worked hard for it. Don't you steal our money for us. That is what you like. Kawe nipa we ni so adia. O sign koto aba. Emma san aban no. Aban na be gina car so. Ashe dark space. Edi adada will say, nurses, students, I know what you are going through. Na moto mami na me ba. Me ye bibia ye ma wo. Ka wo ye nyansani nurse nyansani a wonye useless ane. Papa na sport na sisi akase mu ye useless a. Uko school ko sua dia. Kamu bo bubuzela. The question you should have been asking is, who destroyed it in the first place? Who destroyed nurses' allowance system in the first place? It was that same person. Came wearing dark space. On my wokra huneni because Otran Tra was a dark space. On an event, one see for more. Ojina kaso. And I'll catch them say, I know what you're going through with your allowances. Me ba, me yen ye amao. Bisa nyansa question. Oye den, mubo, vous avez la mano. Nyansa ni bien timi mpeja ne nan, ana nensa. And beside John Dramani Mahama say, who destroyed the nurses' allowance system in the first place? Nanka we no. So, Sebema Kotina radio station and Eka Chiramo say you are one of the most useless people. Me a health professional. But me cancer for I don't defend nonsense. I don't defend people who don't defend themselves. No cre. Mododo ni nyina. Muni mi nyansa. We are useless. Muna mukunipa. No cre. And now baya. What's your reward? You are very useless. It is because of the kind of treatment, any respect, Nana Kufado aban edema nurses. Enonti na sa gentleman no ekotena se you have been over pampered. For 8 years, ya pampamo. Why did he say that? Because they know the state and condition they left nurses and doctors. They know the kind of sweat they made doctors pass through before Nanado. They know the kind of wahala they used to make nurses to pass through to even get their pay. And nothing no cut now ho. Ekachire Ghana for say nurses, doctors, you have been over pampered for 8 years. Nana Akufo-Addo donating yem. Dr. Alad Mahmoud Amianda omuyem epampam na mo ye den. Mo de boni nya twem ene tia omoka. Nene. Mo boni ayefo Monya chemo abesi mutiswa. We see God will punish you. Have you seen yourself and the punishment that is coming your way? Monya nyachem. It is time for everybody to reap what they have sowed. Say yakase nyame betua nanado hoka ema obiara. It is not only NDCO, including us the citizens of Ghana. Especially direct beneficiaries of Nanado government. Say ye bien na no na ye kase Nyami betia mu nyina ka one by one. Enye only John Dramani Mahamo. And NDC card bearing members. Munya chemfuo ni nyinara. Nanado pampered you, respected you, treated you like his children and grandchildren. And grandchildren be bra no be catch them and say papa. E was say we told me uniform mommy or say ampa yeah. Eya no cre e was say men tomma na metama. Na mo sorry ko ye campaign tia no tia bata tia no. Mo nyina mo beji mu gbegire ene na mo gin. Gentleman is true oh. It's true. Nurses have been pampered by Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo government. Enti abaiwe Shiramosenie esitia. Remind them of your tenure way back in 2012 to 2016. Please, gentlemen, remind nurses of NDC's tenure of nurses. Cast them back to memory lane. Short memory is doing them. They still think they are in Akufo-Addo's government. Chiraomo, give it to them. Woto. NDC way of rule. Refresh their memory. We like it. They still think they are in an Akufo-Addo government though. When they will say, why lewa, and then Akufo-Addo will say, oh, come and I will give you a lewa. Don't worry. Omurefi, what will short memory now, Mama Kaye? No crap. Nurses still think they are daydreaming. They think they are still in the Akufo-Addo government.